gosh, have you heard that Charlie punched Ava in the face? Oh my gosh, who hasn't? Ew. I know. Let's go and tell him. Oh, someone's at the door. I wonder whose it is. Ooh, it says Hosty on it. I guess I'll take it. Stop. What the? Another box? Whoa. What's this? Ooh. How are you supposed to use this? Are you supposed to hit things? Wait a minute. It's cool in the middle. It's spinning. Ooh, this is cool. You could do lots of tricks on this. I can't jump it. This is cool. Oh, that was close. Okay, I wonder what this is. Wish I could go outside. Whoa, how did I get here? This is probably magical. Let me try one more time. I could do this all day. This is awesome. I love you, fidget spinner. Whoa.